In this Learn in 1 minute, a fridge inventory trick reduces waste by listing perishables every morning. Each item sits on a visible shelf with a date note, so leftovers get used before spoiling. Example, milk half full and yesterday's kale are grouped, and a quick meal plan surfaces tonight's dish. This simple projection avoids extra store trips and saves money by using what you already have. Try it for a week, tweak as you go, and watch groceries last longer while meals stay tasty.